Hey everybody, this is Cheap Dad. Just want to show you this review of a circular saw that I have here. This is a Makita circular saw, model number 5007NB, 5007NB. This is a blade size 7 1/4 inch blade size circular saw. And just want to show you that it does work. It's definitely a used item. It's been used, given some good service over time. Just show you a couple of the features here. It does have this aluminum base here, which can be adjusted. There's a wing nut right here, which is kind of hard to get to, but loosen it up, and you can adjust the base here. Tighten the wing nut up there, and then you have this adjustment here, which allows you to change the angle on the side here, so you can cut it sideways. Looks like about a 45-degree, maybe, I don't know, something like that. It has a ruler here, a guide ruler across the front here. This is definitely a used, well-used Makita 5007NB 7 1/4 inch blade circular saw. Definitely works. Definitely been used. Definitely got some good life. A lot of work left into it. A lot of use left in it. Here's a call, Cheap Dad, 601-207-2015, 601-207-2015.